This is Wealth Wednesday with Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management.
Good evening. I'm Brent Wilsey, president of the investment firm Wilsey Asset Management. Well, the big question is, when will gas prices fall? I'm going to tell you it's probably a couple months. I'm going to explain why in a minute. But they have started to cause problems with the consumer because they're putting so much money into the gas tank. They now have less money to put into purchasing other goods and services. So it's starting to hurt the economy a little bit. And yesterday, we had CPI, which Consumer Price Index came out. And I thought a couple months ago it would be in April. I thought it would be between 3.5% to probably 4%. Came right in at 3.8%, pretty high number. And then today we had the PPI, the Producer Price Index, which is the wholesale level. It's what they pay there, passed on to consumer. Well, that was up 6%. That's the highest since December of 2022. So the big question is, when is this going to stop? When is it going to turn around and have gas prices go down? Well, what we're seeing is right now with Iran, they're being squeezed. I mean, they're losing about $200 million per day. And this started about a month ago. So they're now out about $6 billion. Now you go another month, they're out $12 billion. And then you go another month, now you're out $18 billion. I mean, that is hurting their economy tremendously. And we look at too that, and I know that the president's meeting with China today as well, and I think tomorrow, you know this is going to come up in conversation. And China's not against us for this, but they do want a resolution because China does get about 15% of their energy sources from Iran. Now on the other side, Iran, they export about 90% of their energy to China. So it's really hurting them a lot that their oil's stuck in the port. We still have the blockade going on. They will not let it out. And it's going to be a thing of who calls chicken, who cries uncle first, because Iran thinks we're hurting. Yes, we are hurting with higher prices. And to me, it's a no-brainer. Do we want to have higher inflation for a few months to prevent Iran from getting nuclear weapons? I think, again, it's a no-brainer. But it's going to be some pain before it gets better. And I think it's going to last probably for through June, and then July it'll start going down. But it's going to take about a month or two for it to get back to where it was before, because the oil will not start flowing immediately. So there will be some time there. And the other thing too with Iran, I mean, we've destroyed about, $300 billion going to cost to refix their economy, their infrastructure that's been destroyed from the war. So that's going to be a big problem for them. But their economy is crumbling. It's in dire straits right now. Their inflation rate, 60% per year. Now think about that number. That's like 5% per month. And we're concerned here about our yearly inflation at 3.8%. Theirs is 5% per month. And it's actually climbing as well. What that's causing, it causes a lot of problems. You buy something today, you go back 2 months later, well, now it is 10% higher than what it was before. And it is, again, rising. And what's happening is that consumers, they can't get products, basic staples, they can't get them. Long lines waiting for stuff, it's not there. So their economy, again, is in dire straits, and this is really going to hurt them. So I do believe in a couple of months, they will cry uncle, say they can't continue on. You got 90 million people with a terrible economy. Things will happen. We've got to stay with that blockade. Now, how does this affect the investor? Well, if you have oil companies in your portfolio, they've done very well. You may want to consider, gee, maybe I should get out or lighten up on those. And you should maybe be looking at investing in companies that use petroleum, like your chemical companies, carpeting companies that use petroleum, perfume companies. These are companies that have been hurt by the higher cost of energy. So all this happens. Look down the road about a year and be patient. Thanks for watching. All this information comes to our website, smartinvesting2000.com. Have a great evening.
This has been Wealth Wednesday, sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.